Hey, what's up, YouTube guys? This is FX Israel, and today I'm going to show you how to trade with trend lines. So I drew all this stuff, yeah, to show you how it works. So this is like the bullish setup, and this is the bearish setup. Yeah. So when drawing a trend line, you need at least on a bullish setup you need two bottoms. So this should be the first button, number one, and this should be the second button, and you take trades only not this only on the third trade. You don't take a trade here, you don't take a trade once you draw your trend line connecting this low and this low. You can take trades from the third low and above. Depends on how long the trend line holds. When it get broken, you can. I will show you when for that later on this video. So this is for a bullish signal and how to draw this. Let's say you have a chart moving like this. You need to connect the first low and make sure the trend line is touching the second low, just the tip. Yeah, and you need to wait for the chart to come back to touch the trend line for the third time. And there are some confirmation candlesticks. I will show you how to enter the trade based on it. So but now I'll be showing you how to get the setups. So this is for the bearish and vice versa for the bear. This is the bullish and vice versa for the bearish. Yeah. So I'm sorry. First of all, you need a first low, second low, take trades on the third low. If it goes back, respect the trend line again, take it, so on. Yeah. So this is for a bullish and a bearish setup. So let's go into the chart and I will show you on a real-time chart, not drawings, but drawings. So we have a setup here, and let me show you. Take your trend line. Let's move back. Yeah. So here we saw a high. This is a high. You need the trend line to touch the high. Yeah, I'm sorry. You need the trend line to touch the high here on the tip of the candle pin. So, and the second, you need a touch of this. This should be the second high here, higher low. Yeah, higher low. And so it goes. So for this, you need the trend line to cut through the wicks. I hope you know what a candle wick. Candle wick, for those who don't know, a candle wick is this pin tiny line on every candle. So if it's a bullish candle like this one, it goes up, go back, and settle a little below, a little above where it opened. So those are the wicks. So you need to cut through the wicks, but don't ever cut the body of the candle. And what is the body of the candle? The colored one. Yeah, it's all colored, but the thick colored one, that's the body. So as you can see, I cut through those wicks, but I didn't cut anybody. So for the third, this rule is only for the first and the second, but the third and the others, you don't need that. So as soon as you saw the candles going, hit this, come back, hit this, and you got your trend line downtrend. As soon as you saw it come back touches the trend line for the third time, what you need to do, you need to look out for pin bar or engulfing bar, any reversal candlestick patterns. You see, this is a pin bar, a spinning top, yeah, morning star, evening star. So once you saw on this pin bar, you need to place your pending order right below here, right below. Let me zoom in for you guys. As soon as this candle finish, this one opens, you need to place your sell limits below here, and your stop loss will go above this wick a little bit higher. So this is how you enter your trade, and you see this candle goes and take your trade. You are on a sell trade, yeah, it goes a little bit drawdown, then boom, you won. So, and to take your profits, you can measure the lowest low of the previous swing, like literally here, and you see boom, you hit take profit, and so on for this, I haven't caught any candle on the two main trend line setups, and so on. We have an engulfing bar here. You take your sell, take profit to the lowest swing previous, and we hit take profits. Yeah, so as soon as we broke the trend line, go on, you see it breaks up and give a high, and it gives a high move to the upside, so you don't need to take any trade. And mind you, you can only use those candlestick patterns under the trend line for a bearish signal. Once it broke up before, even if you saw a bearish candlestick signal like this one, you don't take the trade. You need to make sure it's below the trend line or above for bullish. Yeah, so this is an example for a bearish trend line trading strategy, and this strategy has a good win rate. So this is an example for this type of setup. I will go and show you for the other bullish to go up. Yeah, so this is for a bullish signal. Let me explain. You have a low, a second low, then you have drawn your trend line without knowing the third low like this. This is how the chart will look before you get your entry. You have a low, you have this, you have the first low, you don't draw anything. Have the second lower high on a bullish. So and if you see the chart is starting to reject, then you draw your trend line. Anytime it goes back to touch the trend line, you follow up with your entry lows. So as you can see, this is the third touch, and we have a spinning top here, spinning bottom, sorry. So you should set your buy limits somewhere around here, your stop loss a little bit below, and you will target this high, the previous high here, and you see it nearly hits before it goes back. You can take a second trade, same, you can take a second trade here without this one hitting take profit, and you see soon it hits. This trading style is really profitable. So this is how to use the trend line, and I showed you how to draw it. You just need to have your first swing, join it with the second swing to form the other to form the next setups. So you have a second setup, a third setup, fourth setup, sorry, a second setup on F. So this is how it is, and so you can expand it. Yeah, you see it breaks out here, and when it breaks out, you leave it. There is a strategy for a broken trend lines, which I will not be sharing on this video, but kindly subscribe to this channel and I will show you how to get this, how to, like, you can, I have a PDF which I bought. It's a paid PDF. I bought it. It's very good. It has the trade, it holds the trading trend line secrets, everything you need to know. So you should just go to the description, and check out my WhatsApp number. Talk to me on WhatsApp. It's for free. I'm not charging anything on it. So it's actually for free with me, but it's a paid PDF. I bought it. So once I send you, you need to read it. You will know everything about trendline. That book, it's really a killer. So yeah, this is a tiny profit, yeah, but look, it's a big move I caught. It's a big move guiding somewhere around here, and boom. And this is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. It's not 5 minutes. Yeah, we trade. You can even text me for trade account management if you need it. If you don't, just subscribe to the channel and learn how to trade yourself. So guys, this is the PDF. I'm going to give it to you, and this is how the man trades. You see, those are live trades he took using the trendline trading strategy. I will give it to you. I want you guys to win, guys. I want you guys to win. So as you can see, this is literally almost what I explained for you today. But if you get this PDF, you will know more. I got 2 of those PDFs, the one for the trend line and the one for the breakouts. Yeah, so you should check the description. Kindly subscribe to the channel to get all this for free. So peace out.